Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about when to use for plus ing and to plus infinitive in English. One of my students recently asked me about the difference between them. I can't recall the exact sentence, but it was related to expressing purpose. So I told her that using to infinitive was more natural. But after class, I started to wonder if for plus ing might be okay too, because it can be also used for reason or purpose. And sometimes distinguishing between reason and purpose can be tricky. To clarify this, I did some research, but all the information was not convincing, so I asked two American teachers about it, but neither had a clear answer. So I kind of continued my investigation, and here's what I've concluded. When we want to express a purpose we intend to achieve in the future, we have to use to plus infinitive. For example, I go to the supermarket to buy groceries. In this sentence, buying grocery is an intentional future action, so to plus infinitive is the natural choice. Then, how about this one? I go to the supermarket for buying groceries. Grammatically, it seems fine. You can think of buying groceries as the reason to go to the supermarket. However, it does sound a bit odd. Why? Because for plus ing is more about the past or ongoing actions. For example, we can say he thanks his team for working hard on the project because in this sentence, his team is already working on the project. So we have to use for plus ing. So, in summary, to infinitive is more future oriented and intentional, whereas for plus ing is more about the past or ongoing actions, and it depends on what verbs are used. I mean, only certain verbs allow for plus gerund structure when it means purpose or reason. For example, apologize for, thank for, and receive something for, and so on. What do you think? Thank you for watching. If you like it, and comment below. Thank you and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye bye.